Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Hunting the Haunted. We are here at this creepy freaking tunnel.
It's definitely creepy.
Oh my god, is it creepy. So let's show you guys.
I don't know if you have to turn your light.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Oh, and listen, by the way, go to Hunter's Gear and check out their equipment. They have an Olight. Oh my god, believe me when I tell you, you will always want an Olight after you see us using this one. So listen, we got to be respectful of the people that live around here. So when we get up here a little closer, we're going to turn the light on so you can see better. So it may be a little hard to see our faces right now, but let's do this. See, there's a tunnel way up there. And let me tell you why we love these Olights. I mean, check it out, guys.
You can almost see down there.
Yeah, this is, now listen, so there, I guess someone had died here before. And we're going to show you exactly where. This is quite a little walk. You know what, you guys, listen out for bears. We have a friend with us, but he's a little camera shy, so we're gonna try not to get him on film.
And if you do see a blur, it's probably because we're blurring him out. So, out of respect.
Unless we talk him into letting us film him, so.
Pretty much.
Alright, so let me turn this off for a minute, use the other light. I'm gonna save my battery.
There it is. You just gotta make it turn up a little bit.
It is all the way up.
Yep.
Well, that 0.3% didn't make a difference. Alright guys, this is, hold that light for a minute.
No, I'm not even recording yet.
Because I want them to see the tunnel. This tunnel's freaking creepy. Alright guys, look at this tunnel. This is scared the crap out of me. This is absolutely oh man, this is really creepy. You guys, this is the Olight. Alright, check it out. This little light is doing all that. But anyhow,
wow. Look how far deep that goes.
it goes, I've been through this completely all the way through. Now it said that, what was that?
I don't know. I didn't hear anything.
Is anyone in here? Hello?
We heard you got killed in the tunnel. Is that true?
God, this is creepy. I keep hearing something down there.
I don't know. Can you throw a rock or something, or let us know you're here? It's definitely a lot cooler in here. I got the K2 meter on.
You got the K2 on?
Yep.
Up here, guys, we're going to do a session with the necrophonic app.
Let's see if we can.
See if we can see something. But now the story is told that I think there's more than one death here, okay? I'm not 100% sure, but I know of one for sure, and I'm going to show you guys. Hey, W, do you know if these tracks are active?
I doubt it.
Do you know if these tracks are active? No? All right. Okay. Okay, so guys, right up here.
There's water all the way down.
Okay, so back in the day, allegedly, there was someone that was coming through here, and a train was coming through, and he tried to beat the train. He couldn't get out in time, so he came right here and didn't make it. He was killed. The train got him. So, yes.
I got a K2 meter right here. If you're here, you want to communicate, you want to talk, that's your chance. Let us know you're here.
Okay, so what is my name? Do you know my name? Michael. Carl.
Did
Did
you
I
hear
say
that?
Carl?
I don't know if I heard that or not. We have to look back. I heard something with an R at the end.
Are we in danger? I mean, I've asked that before, but I didn't get an answer. Are we in danger? Run? Did I say run?
I don't. Yes. Yes. I said it twice.
How did you die?
Train. It said train.
Train. That's how this person died. It's a train. Is there any other spirits that are here with us? Yes.
Is that you making noise? We keep hearing something. What was that?
What was that?
I don't know. Was that you?
Let's walk. Let's see. Whoa.
Whoa. Throw a rock. Make yourself present. You've already done it. Might as well do it again. Is this fun to you?
I keep hearing something.
I did too. I heard that plain as day.
Okay, listen, you're not allowed to go with us anywhere. Don't follow us. Goodbye. Thanks for talking to us.
Appreciate it. You're not allowed to stay though.
Did someone die here? Yes.
How long has it been?
What? How long has it been since someone died in here?
Were you the only one to die here? Or is there more?
Yeah, how many people died here?
I keep hearing stuff down there, dude. Hello? You can keep it going.
How many spirits are here with us?
We're all. Do you like us being here?
Are we in danger?
active for a second. Have you seen the K2 meter move at all? I haven't.
Did I see death?
I don't think I heard that. I'm gonna move the K2 meter here. If you're here,
Hold it with this.
if you're here with us, you're not allowed to stay with us, but you can come up and talk and maybe even touch this meter in my hand, see what it does.
For some reason, my camera won't record. I don't know what's going on. It will not record. For some reason, my camera won't record.
Do you want us to leave?
How many people are here with us? How many spirits are here with us?
Ooh, be careful.
2? I heard 2.
How'd the other one die? Are you fine with us being here?
Do you want us to walk down to the end of this tunnel?
No.
I heard no.
What's down here? Death. Are you in here with us? Is that you making the noise? Do you know any of our names?
Yeah, what's my name or what's his name? What's down here? All right, listen. I'm gonna turn you off. You're not welcome to come with us. Aw.
I'm hearing stuff down there.
Start my camera back up now too. Okay, now this is the end of the tunnel here. That's a long tunnel.
Yeah. Did you hear that? Oh, it's just a motorcycle.
Yeah, it's a motorcycle or a four-wheeler.
That bat came all the way through the tunnel. Tunnel's more than creepy.
Well, I didn't come empty-handed, so... Because I don't trust if there's a bear or something.
Person, whatever.
Yeah, or some nut. Go. It's a pentagram. That's a long walk back through there, ain't it?
Yeah, when we were looking down here at that thing that's flashing, I thought for sure I saw like a hand go through it. But my camera, neither one of our cameras goes far enough to see that reflection. Wow.
For some reason, when we started recording, we use a Sony, guys, and my Sony would not detect a memory card, which is really weird. So,
You could do another spirit box session if you want. You seem to get a lot of answers.
look how dark that is.
Yeah. Without our lights, we're gonna be pitch black. And my bat's just flying along in here.
Oh man, I don't like bats. I can handle a bat more than I can a spider.
Oh yeah.
I do not like freaking spiders.